Hello everybody, this is Joey with Snow Technology Service. I have another tip video for you. This one involves managing open windows using the Windows button. To do this, this makes it very easy to snap windows to different areas of the monitor. You can even put windows side by side or even put windows in quarters of screens. I'm going to show you how to do this with keyboard shortcuts now. What you want to do is you want to hold the Windows button. It's usually to the left side of the space bar. You can see the picture there of where it is. And then just hit the arrows, whichever way you want to snap the window. Left will send it left, and the more you hit, the more it cycles through positions. So we can do one window on one side. And when we let go of the Windows button, it's going to show you every window that you have open. Then you just go ahead and select one and it'll fill the other side. If you want to take it a step farther, you can hold the Windows button and put it in a quarter. Let go. It's going to give you more options to fill in the other empty spot. We can do it on this side also. And there we go. You can quickly snap anything to the monitor where you need it. Thank you for watching.